Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 Fusion Titanium in ingot silver with black leather interior, seating for 5. It's a 4-door sedan and it has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has a driver assist package which includes lane keeping and blind spot information system. It also has a moonroof as well as a backup camera and backup sensors. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 driving positions. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and your trunk release is here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media controls, as well as sync voice activated system with volume. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake. I'm going to push the engine start and the key is in my pocket. On your dash you're going to see 2 menus come up, and on the left hand side we have display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. On the right hand side we have entertainment, phone, navigation, compass, and climate, and you'll notice that they change color. You also have paddle shifters on the left and the right here on your steering wheel, and off to the side here you're going to see the lane keeping symbol on the toggle to the right. In the center, hazard lights. You've got a 4-quadrant screen. Up to the right is navigation, bottom right is climate. You're seeing heated seats for driver and passenger. Top left is phone, and the bottom left is entertainment. And you have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth stereo, SD card, and AV in. And as you can see, it's a touch screen. When you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. And below that is your CD player, and then you've got controls on either side there for the dual climate control. In the cubby you've got a 12 volt, you've got an automatic shifter, electronic parking brake is right beside the driver, a couple of cup holders, and then your armrest opens up and there's a little bin in there. You can take that out, the SD card, and you've got your AV line in, USB, and 12 volt, and a little more storage down below. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, there's your lighting controls and sunglass holder, and then when you're ready you can open up that sunroof and just slide it with a push of a button. 18-inch wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The back trunk has a spoiler, and the backup camera is located just below the Ford badge. You also have backup sensors on your bumper. When you're ready to open up the truck, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. It powers it open for you, making it easier to get in, and then simply put your hand underneath and lift up. It's nice and roomy and carpeted, and gets even better with that 60-40 split rear seat. And then when you're ready to close everything up, simply put your hand in the handle to the left, pull down, and it's now securely closed. Make sure those screws are both in on your license plate holder, or they'll end up cockeyed like mine. And then when you're ready, you can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Accents, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.